Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Are you looking to simplify your kitchen setup without giving up performance? Say hello to Ninja Crisp 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer in sage green, a compact yet powerful appliance that packs versatility in a clean, space-saving design. Whether you are short on countertop space, cooking for one, or need a convenient way to prepare meals without the mess, this could be the perfect fit. In this video, we are covering everything you need to know: the key features, specifications, usability, and what makes this model stand out. From the first glance, it impresses with the modern sage green finish. Clean, stylish, and easy to fit into any kitchen aesthetic. But what really stands out is its 4-in-1 functionality. This appliance allows you to air fry, bake, reheat, and recrisp your meals, giving you plenty of flexibility whether you are preparing something from scratch or reviving leftovers. Its capacity is surprisingly generous for its size. The main 3.8-liter glass container handles up to 6 portions, while additional 1.4-liter container is perfect for sides or smaller servings. That makes it equally useful for solo meals, family dinners, or entertaining guests. The appliance is powered by a strong 1700 watts motor, which provides faster and even heating, paired with non-stick CRISPi plates that helps deliver consistent cooking results. One of the most convenient features of the CRISPi is its modular system. You attach the PowerPod to one of its interchangeable Ninja tempware glass containers, which means you can prep, cook, and store all in the same dish. Whether you are marinating meat, cooking dinner, or saving leftovers for the next day, there is no need to transfer between multiple bowls or pans. Both the containers and their BPA-free lids are dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is quick and easy. Using the CRISPi is simple. The bright LCD digital display is clear and easy to read, and the touch button controls makes setting up cooking time or switching modes effortlessly. A built-in timer and adjustable temperature settings give you full control over your meals. The appliance also includes a handy keep warm features, so your food stays ready to serve without overcooking. As for the size, the Ninja CRISPi is compact enough to fit comfortably on most countertops. Its dimensions are 203mm in height, 297mm in width, and 248mm in depth. It weighs just 5.28 kilograms, making it easy to move or store when not in use. The 0.89 meter power cords give you decent flexibility in placement, while non-slip fit keep the unit stable during use. Everything you need is included right out of the box: 2 glass containers, a large and a small CRISPi plate, 2 BPA-free lids, the PowerPod adapter, and main unit. This version comes in sage green, but if that is not your color, you have got options. The CRISPi is also available in Cyberspace Blue and Stone Brown, so you can match your kitchen look or your personal style. This model runs on 1700 watts of power, includes a 3.8-liter main glass container along with a smaller 1.4-liter option for varieties. It is equipped with digital LCD display, a built-in timer, adjustable thermostat, dishwasher safe parts, non-stick surface, a lockable lid for added convenience. You also get a 2 years manufacturer's guarantee. So is the Ninja CRISPi a good choice for your kitchen? If you are looking for a compact, easy to use appliance that delivers on performance and convenience, it is a strong contender. The build quality is solid, the design is thoughtful, and setup is simple enough for everyday use. Whether you are heating up leftovers, baking a quick dish, or cooking a full dinner, this air fryer gives you flexibility without taking over your space. And with color options like sage green, cyberspace blue, stone brown, it is easy to find a version that looks just right in your home. This appliance deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed